You've probably heard of Raiz. Maybe a friend mentioned it, or you saw an ad. It's one of those apps promising to turn your spare change into a growing investment. But let's be real, how many of these apps actually deliver? Is Raiz just another shiny object, or can it truly help you build a substantial nest egg? That's what we're diving into today. Let's start with the basics. Raiz is essentially an automated micro-investing app. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Sounds simple, right? But the real question is this simplicity a strength or a weakness? Can you really build wealth by investing pocket change? We'll break down how Raiz works, exploring its core features and benefits. But we won't stop there. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a deep dive. We'll uncover the potential pitfalls, discuss whether Raiz is suitable for everyone, and most importantly, we'll share strategies to maximize your returns. We'll talk about portfolio diversification, the importance of long-term investing, and how to stay disciplined. And hey, let's be honest, fees matter. We'll dissect Raiz fee structure to see if it's a deal breaker or a minor expense. But it's not all about the numbers. We'll also discuss the psychology of investing. How does Raiz fit into your overall financial plan? Can it help you develop good saving habits? We'll explore these questions and more. In this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Raiz is right for you, and if so, how to make the most of it. So, let's get started. Your financial future might just thank you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.